Let's fix Messenger messages disappearing automatically. So, first, open the Messenger app on your phone and go into the conversation where messages are disappearing. Once you're inside the chat, look at the top of the screen and tap the person's name or the info icon. This opens the chat settings. Now scroll down and check if vanish mode is enabled. So you should see the vanish mode on your side. On some phones, you may directly see vanish mode, while on others, it could be under privacy settings. If it's turned on, simply disable it. Another quick way to check is by swiping up inside the chat. So let's go back to the chat and swipe it up. Now, sometimes vanish mode gets enabled accidentally with a swipe gesture. If you see a dark screen or a message saying vanish mode is active, swipe up again to turn it off. After that, go back to the chat and send a test message. Then wait a few seconds and check if it still disappears. In most cases, the problem should already be fixed. If messages are still disappearing, the next thing you should check is disappearing messages or encrypted chat timers. So go back into chat settings. So click the name of that person. Scroll down and look for disappearing messages. Tap on it. If there's a timer set to 24 hours, 7 days, or anything else, tap it and choose off. Once you do that, go back to the chat and see if that works. Another thing you can do is to update the app because older versions of Messenger sometimes glitch and cause chat problems. So close Messenger app and open App Store and search for Messenger. So if you see an update button, just tap on that to update the app. Now once done, open the app and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.